a girl with confidence. When I got a roll like hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around.
Hey y'all, what's up? So today I want to show you guys how I style 3 affordable ponytails from Amazon. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe, turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload, because I have a lot of affordable hair looks coming for you guys and I don't want you to miss out. So I started off with my pink hot comb. I love this hot comb. It's an electric hot comb that has 3 different settings. It goes from low to medium to high. I typically put it on the highest one and it heats up really fast. So I will link that hot comb down below. It's one of my favorites, as well as this brush. This brush has both the plastic little pieces and the bristles, so I love that combination together. It really does detangle my hair really well. And this is a precision rat tail comb. I do sell these on my website, GLEEmade.com. I love this because it has that open space for you to get a really nice clean part, and it also has the thin combs that rat tail combs have that I absolutely love. I'm using my go-to edge control. This one is the Stasha Harris. I love this one because it does give you a soft hold and allows the hair to stay malleable and pliable while you're styling it. And then to style my baby hairs, I always use my GLEEmade edge control, which is also on my website as well as on Amazon Prime if you want to support your good sis and grab some of my edge control. I did start off this style on hair that is not clean. I just been wearing my hair out for a while, but I never like to wash and like blow dry my hair right before a ponytail style because you just put so much product in it. It's like, why does the hair need to be clean? So I just went ahead and put all this product over top of dirty hair, and then when it was time for me to take this ponytail out, I just went ahead and washed it all out. So I did go ahead and use my wide extra large rubber bands. I love those for ponytail styles. They just hold a lot better and don't put as much tension on your hair. So I'll leave those down below as well, where you can grab those extra large rubber bands. I went ahead and braided my hair, wrapped it around, and just created a little bun. And yeah, now it's time for me to style my baby hairs using my GLEEmade edge control. I use a baby hair brush. You can also grab these on my website. You can get these anywhere though, y'all. So yeah, I just grab my edge control and my baby hair scarf. I use the brush side and the comb side together to go ahead and style my baby hair. So one more shot of hairspray, add my baby hair scarf, and yeah, you good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do something with my face and hop right back. All right, you guys, so let's get into the first ponytail. This is a 3-piece ponytail. It has 2 bang pieces and 1 ponytail piece. It does come in that cute little box, and they did give you a headband to go with it. I decided not to use that, but those are all the pieces that come with this ponytail. This ponytail is $16.99 and can be found on Amazon in my Amazon storefront, and I will link it down below. Super easy to use, just like any other drawstring ponytail. 1 comb at the front, 1 comb at the back, and your drawstring. So you just, you know, stick the combs in, pull your drawstring as tight as you want it to be. Don't do it too tight, you guys, because those combs will start to dig in. And then I usually just wrap the drawstring around for good measure, fluff out the ponytail. I did add my press-ons on. I did pop those on. I make my own press-ons. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, definitely follow my Instagram. It's JessFlyFinds, and I post everything that I find from Amazon, little tutorials, reviews, my personal opinions and thoughts on a whole bunch of different products that I try out from Amazon. So yeah, I get all my press-on nail supplies from Amazon, and yeah, these are my Valentine's Day sets. So So this is what this cute little $16.99 ponytail is giving. I really like this look. It's super cute, super easy to throw on, and it's just like a cute little sweet look. I absolutely love it. I think it would look super cute with a head wrap or a headband as well, but I never did pop that on. I did go ahead and shake out that piece. I wish I had done that with the first two because it was just a lot of extra fluffing that I could have avoided by just, you know, shaking it out. So that's a tip. Shake your ponytail before you put it on and you'll avoid a lot of fluffing. So I decided to put that bang piece in the back just to make the ponytail in the back a little fuller, and then I just bobby pinned it up to keep it in place, and I definitely liked it with a more full look. So yeah, you guys, I definitely like this ponytail. That is ponytail number 1 down. Let's move on to ponytail number 2. So the second ponytail, oop, gotta make sure ain't nothing on my teeth. Y'all don't know the struggle. Like, I always be pressed thinking something is on my teeth in these videos, honey. So here is the second ponytail. It is a long 30-inch kinky straight ponytail, and let me check the price for this one. So this one is coming in at $13.99. I did get this one in the color 1 Natural Black. It does have a comb at the top, and then it has the little piece to wrap around. I took the bun out and decided to just go ahead and wrap it around my braid. I separated one piece off of the side. That piece is to help to anchor the hair down because that little comb is not going to anchor the hair down. This is a very long ponytail and it will get heavy, so you want to anchor it on itself with its own hair. So you take a small piece, wrap that around the base of the ponytail to give it a good anchor, and then you're going to start wrapping the Velcro piece around. So then you want to grab that side Velcro piece, comb that out, straighten that out, separate it from the ponytail, and then start wrapping that piece around. And now you have your ponytail anchored from both sides and your ponytail is not going anywhere, sis. Also, side note, if you guys like the jewelry that I'm wearing, this is from Amazon as well. All this jewelry is under $15. So I will link the necklace, earrings, and the gold bangles in the description box down below. And my outfit is from Shein. If it's still available, because I did get this like back in December. If it's still available, I will link this sweater, which is actually a sweater dress set. And then this dress that I'm wearing underneath it, which is also a sweater dress set. So I'll link both of those sets down below. Now that you're done wrapping it around, you're going to want to bobby pin your own hair down because your own hair will start to play you out as the day goes on, honey. You'll think it's nice and tucked in and it'll just be doing a peekaboo on you. So definitely bobby pin that down once you have your ponytail secured in place, and then your hair will not be going anywhere. Go ahead and brush out the hair and detangle it. Put that brush in your purse because you know this ponytail is going to be getting real rowdy and reckless, okay? It's beautiful right now, but keep the brush close at hand. This is a $13 look, all right, y'all. We not shooting for the moon here. We just want it to look decent. So this is what it's giving. I love the texture on this ponytail, the length, the drama, all that good stuff. It's fluffy, it's lightweight. I love this ponytail. It's so cute. And when your baby hairs are super popping and you press on nails, it's like, you know, it's just giving me like Belly vibes. It's giving me Jersey Drive, like New Jack City. I don't know. It's just classic black girl look right here, and I'm loving it. And last but not least, we have this curly afro style ponytail. This one is in a color 1B, and this one is $15.99 off of Amazon Prime. So you go ahead and same construction again. I was like, oh, I'm going to go ahead and fluff this baby before I put her on, and you know, just give her a nice little fluff. And you know, I plucked her with my fingers. I didn't want to use a comb for this one. This ponytail is so fluffy and bouncy. She just moves all over the place, and she's very like bouncy. I love that about this hair. It's not stiff, you know, it's not coarse and hard. It's very fluffy and bouncy and moves and blows in the wind. Like I like this one a lot. Of all the ponytails, I think this one probably was my favorite because this is the one that I've been wearing the most. Really easy, throw on and go style, high ponytail or even a low ponytail. I may come back and show you guys these ponytails as a low ponytail because I know not everyone is going to wear them as a high ponytail, but I just feel like for the video it's easier to see a high ponytail. It's harder to see a low ponytail in these videos, but you can absolutely wear this as like a mid or a low ponytail. Very, very cute style. So yeah, I just did a little bit of finger plucking and separating the coils, but yeah, this one is just absolutely beautiful. I love all three of these ponytails. They each give their own vibe and own style. I will link all three of them in the information box down below, along with their price and the color that I chose. And if you guys have any questions, if I forgot anything, please comment your questions down below and I'll be sure to get back to each and every one of you guys. If you have not hit subscribe, turn on, hit that subscribe and turn on your notifications. All right, you guys, make sure you do one thing for me. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a ponytail lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.